Hi, here I'm going to show you how to use inner join command of SQL. We use inner join command to extract data from two different tables that has common match. I'm going to explain to you what I'm talking about. As you see here, I'm going to use a BigQuery platform of SQL. I have a data set of students here under students data sets. I have two tables, which is a department table and students table. The students table, click on the students table, so you're gonna see different column under student table. As you see here, there is student ID, name, age, gender, city, and so forth column. And under department, click on the department table, and you're gonna see the column for the department table. Of course, the student ID in major and minor. So I have two different tables, all right? Student table and department table. So I'm gonna apply this inner join SQL command to extract information or data from two tables that's corresponding between the two tables. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. All right, click on the plus blue uh, icon here so that you can open the SQL inquiry window. So start typing select. The basic structure of SQL is select from. So I'm going to use inner join, and you can enter on. This is a condition that's going to match the two tables. So once I type in or enter the basic structure of SQL, I'm going to continue to type in what I'm going to extract. So I'm going to extract under the student table the name of the students, maybe the age, and or the department table. I'm going to extract the student's major and minor under department table. As you see here on the students table, there is a student ID column, and under student ID column, this is the ID number. Two students doesn't, as you see here, this student and the other student, they don't have ID, so you can see here null. So two students do not have ID number, right? And on the department table, there are students who have ID number, and there are students who doesn't have ID number. Okay, so I'm going to extract information on both tables that has a corresponding match ID number. So whoever has ID number in each table, I'm going to extract information from those two tables that have already student ID number using inner join command. All right. So in short, in these two tables, those have student ID number, their information is going to be extracted using inner join command. All right, so that's how I'm going to apply the command. Select. So I'm interested again on the student's name. Under the student's table, I'm interested on the name and the age. All right. Name, age. And under department table, I'm interested in the major and minor columns. Okay. major, minor. All right, I'm gonna enter here the source of the data. So the source is, first you can enter the data set, which is students. Type in the data set name, which is students. It's gonna pop up. Just click on the students if you want. Then I'm gonna click on the students table. Here, the students table is pop up here. Click on the students table. All right, then next to inner join, I'm gonna enter the same way, but I'm gonna change the name of the table. I can type in the dataset name. All right, it's already pop up. Point and click on the table name, which is the departments table. All right, so I have two tables, and I'm gonna extract information from the two tables using inner join command. So on is the condition that's gonna match both information. All right, so on the condition is the ID number. As you see here, under the ID, student ID column, there are numbers, and under department table, under student ID, there are ID numbers. So those numbers are the one really match or correspond on both table. So I'm going to use student ID as a condition to extract information from the two tables that matches on both sides. So again, you're going to enter the source first, the source of the data. Just copy that one, the first source for the first table, which is the students table. Then let me copy it again. All right, that's the first students table. That I'm interested in the student ID, right? I'm gonna copy the student's ID. All right, paste it. So the student ID is the one that's matches on both table. All right. The next source is the student department table. That's the source. Copy paste it. And the student's ID number. All right. Now, as you see here, I want to repeat it. This part is the one of the source for student table, and that student ID is a column, and another table is student department table. That's the student ID. So both tables have corresponding matches with respect to the student ID. Okay. Now I'm gonna run this inquiry by clicking on the run command here. All right, click on it. Now here I have the results. All right. So now I have the list of the students, their age, major, and minor. The name and the age is on the first table, which is the student table. The major and minor is from the second table, which is the department table, right? So they have common or intersection between those tables based on the student ID. See, those students who have student ID have or have been displayed on the results. For those students who doesn't have ID number, see this Helena, and John, they don't have student ID number, so you don't see their name on the results. You don't see that name. All right. So in this table, using inner join command, you're gonna see results based on the common factors, which is a student ID, right? So whoever have student ID on both table, their name and those informations come out. Okay. All right. I hope this video may explain how to apply inner join. In the next video, I'm gonna explain to you how to use right join and left join. All right. Here is the inquiry syntax. Thank you for watching.